Healthy people in a nation blessed by sunshine and surf. That's how many around the world picture life in Australia. Research shows that more than half of the adult population considers themselves to be in good health. But each year there are nearly 12 million hospitalisations in Australia, and nearly 9 in 10 people will need to seek medical treatment.
We are so lucky here in Australia that we've got a healthy healthcare system, a really robust public system and supported by a very strong private healthcare system, one of the best in the world.
An ageing population and a rise in chronic diseases is putting increasing cost pressures on that robust health system. Global services delivery expert Serco is assisting governments to achieve greater efficiencies in public health. Maintaining the highest standards of patient care is the top priority through innovation and cost efficiencies.
We also are not just a traditional facilities management provider, we also provide clinical services. We provide doctors, nurses, allied health staff, and also the administrative functions that support hospitals.
In Western Australia, teams from Serco were involved from the early planning stages of Perth's Fiona Stanley Hospital. The aim was to embed many efficiencies to stretch the health dollar further, at the same time improving patient outcomes. The company provides award-winning services, everything from maintaining the public hospital's high-tech safety systems to running a fleet of automatically guided vehicles, which move catering and linen around the facility to save time, money and potential injury.
The racks that are delivered with linen supplies are extremely heavy. So if we think about people bending over, picking it up, delivering the linen racks to the wards, that's quite labour intensive and quite physical. So the AGVs remove that manual handling risk.
We work in partnership with Fiona Stanley, and they've been very successful in meeting their patient outcomes and also their accreditation outcomes, and we're an important part in that.
We're always looking at continuous improvement and innovation. So if we can do things better, cheaper and greater, we're not shy of having that conversation with the customer. So we're always looking at ways of doing things better, raising that with the customer.
In the justice health sector, Serco works in 4 diverse locations across Australia and New Zealand to deliver innovative services that produce positive patient outcomes. Clarence Correctional Centre is Serco's largest justice health contract and features an operator-led design model.
Being involved directly in the design of the Clarence Correctional Centre was extremely beneficial. It sits on 195 hectares of land, and as Australia's largest prison, it's essential that people can access healthcare no matter where they are located within the prison.
Serco's justice health teams work closely with their government partners. Service delivery is aligned with community standards, whilst also catering for the unique and special challenges of prisoners.
The prison population is one of society's most vulnerable, complex and challenging populations. They come from disadvantaged backgrounds usually and have higher rates of unemployment and homelessness and greater healthcare needs.
A key priority is supporting mental health. Part of this is educating prisoners to understand that a healthy body supports a healthy mind.
Serco is different to other providers because we start with the customer. We use our expertise to really unravel the ways that we can bring together solutions that integrate people, workforce, clinical skills, training, technology to bring about better health outcomes for all Australians.
Serco is also playing a leading role in helping to keep Australia safe. It provides the clinical services on all Defence Force bases in Australia.
We look after all their medical needs, all their primary healthcare needs, dental health services, mental health services. So we provide doctors, nurses, physios, OTs, dentists, dental assistants, you name it.
Working with our Defence Forces and supporting governments to keep Australian civilians healthy. Serco provides a wide range of solutions at a time of increasing pressure on the health system.
I'm extremely privileged to work with an exceptional workforce who are on the front foot every day, making a big difference.